Show them how you drive the car, Liam. Good job. You're not allowed to eat and drive anymore, Liam. It's against the law. You're a rebel. Drive the car. Where are we going now? Oh, you're a crazy driver.
Here I come!
Good job, buddy.
Here I come! Here I come!
Good job.
Here I come!
You know, there are other buttons. Let's try some other buttons. Turn the radio on, Liam. Right here. Turn the radio on.
Here I come! Here I come!
Ooh. Ooh.